Wat nog meer? Altijd.
You want to play?
Yes.
Let's go. No.
Yeah.
There. He's coming. He's coming. Where are you? Why are you standing there? You want to play some fuzzies? Nee. You want to play? So you want to play? Do you want to play? Come on. Bye-bye, Ranger. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. Say hello now.
Hey. Nee.
You're not her. You guys. Yeah, look at the camera. You like it? I guess he doesn't want to talk, but he still likes to play.
Okay, my bed. Kaka, my bed.
Yeah, you will. You have the bounce. So run.
Kaka, my bed.
Oh, we just sort of made it alive. Oh, look, he's already here. You want some pansy? You want some? Where is he heading? You want? Like and subscribe if you like puppies like this one. He's so cute. Like and subscribe if you love this puppy. If you love him. Yeah, you're shy to the camera. Say bye. Yeah, bye. Yes, he's scared. He's scared. He doesn't want you to go away, but this is the end of the video. Part 2 is coming soon.